Hello! Well, today I will tell you how I legally flown my drone over my hometown airport. I will try to keep it simple. I will try to keep it simple and short, but I would like to say again that drone pilots have to follow the rules and fly responsibly. I have a separate video about responsible drone flying, and the link will pop up somewhere here at the right top corner of the screen. So why is it dangerous, forbidden, and DJI Mavic blocks the area around the airport? Well, it's obvious, because airplanes take off and land in the airport. In general, airplanes are not allowed to fly lower than 500 feet above ground level except for takeoff and landing. That's why in most of the countries, maximum authorized flight altitude for the drones is 400 feet above ground level. As you all know, aviation industry was significantly affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. For example, the amount of flights in my country was reduced almost by 95%, and it's sad. So last month, me and ATC provider came up with the idea to fly around the airport, to film the facilities, and in general to film the airport while there is no traffic. I must say that they provided all necessary information and they provided all necessary support in order to get all the approvals and permissions. So thank you very much again. So what kind of approvals and permissions you have to get in order to fly and film over the airport in my country? Well, first of all, you have to get approval from the Ministry of Defense. Then you have to get permission from the security and intelligence services of my country. Once you have those approvals and permissions, you apply to the civil aviation authorities. Once they issue their approval, you apply to the airport and to the local ATC provider. Once you have all those approvals and permissions, you apply to DJI with a request to unlock the restricted airspace around the airport. So finally, everything was prepared. I was waiting for the proper day with the good weather, and finally we chose the day. So right now, short video with my unique experience that I had that day. Good morning, it's 6:30 a.m. I just called to the airport. We have all the approvals and permissions. Everybody's waiting for me. No time is in the system, flight plan is in the system. So we're good to go. There's no traffic in the morning, and in general there are just 3 flights today. 2 of those are during the afternoon. It's not a factor, and there is just 1 charter in the evening. So let's go fly and have some fun. That's it for the morning. Around 7 p.m. I'm gonna continue to fly and to film the sunset. It's almost the end of our filming day. We're waiting for the traffic to land. It's on the short final. And then I still have 1 more battery left, so I will film a little bit more, and that will be it for today. Everything was safe. It was a long day, but it was a very, very nice day. And at least I flew something in the last 95 days. Thanks for watching.